So today I'm going to be showing you how to use smart diagnosis on your LG washing machine or washer dryer. So you're going to want to download the LG ThinQ app, which is that one just there. So if we open that, and in the meantime we can prepare the machine. So I don't know whether you have to close the door or not. I don't think that matters, but for the purposes of this we're going to close the door in case it does matter. So, put the machine into standby mode. Don't touch anything. It has to be in this mode to do something. Now, you'll notice when you open the LG ThinQ app that you have, once you set your machine up, you'll have it paired to there. For the purpose of this, we're going to set up another machine. So, we're going to press the add button. We're going to choose laundry product, front load washing machine, because this is a front load. So check if there's a dial on the washer. There is, yes. Does it have an LED display? Yes, it does. Connect product. There's no Wi-Fi button on this. So you have to add it a different way. So it doesn't have a tag on button. It has a smart diagnosis logo. So now it's adding the product because it knows what it is. So it's connected a standard LG washing machine. So you can name it whatever. So now if you go to the home page, not that. So the one we've just added has appeared here next to the one I've already added. Now for the purpose of this, I'm going to use my old one. So optimizing. Now, before you do anything else, press get started. And that's telling you to turn it on. However, mine's already on. So, after you do this, you're going to want to get your phone into this mode where it says after pressing the next button, press on the temperature button until the countdown displays. Now, I'm going to do this next bit quite fast. I'm going to give you a warning now. This is loud, so turn your volume down if you don't want to be deafened. Because obviously the phone's not too far away from the machine. So, you want to hold it around the smart diagnosis logo, which is here on this machine. Now what it's going to do is it's going to transfer a whole load of data over to the phone. The phone's going to receive that data, and it's going to tell you something about the machine. Now, next. Now a countdown will appear on the machine's display. That's counting down how long's left. There we go. And then, once it's done that, it will show you what's wrong with the machine, if there's anything wrong with it. And it will tell you exactly what it's scanned. So obviously there's nothing wrong with this machine. Completely normal, functioning well. It's not where I just whacked the tripod. So if you scroll down a bit, it will tell you some general tips on how to maintain your washing machine, and it will tell you just general things. So it's just, I'm trying to find the thing where it tells you how many times you've used it since the last tub clean. However, it's not telling me now. So what it says is, a noise or vibration due to clogged or tangled laundry during the spin cycle has been detected. So that's what's happened with this machine in one of the last washes. It's obviously had some unbalanced spins because I washed bedding and towels. I've washed 2 duvet covers, which for some reason ended up really unbalanced. I've washed a cat's bed, so that's probably where that's from. Vibration or noise is generated by laundry that is not evenly distributed. That's also what it's done. And it's telling me what to do like that. The temperature around the product is 0 or below. That's completely false. That's not at all. It's like full 15 degrees in here, maybe 14 degrees. That's far from true. And it says rinse it following the sterilisation cycle after you have used the product 21 times. And it says the recommended tub rinsing cycle is after first usage or once a month. And it's not telling me how many times I've used it, so that's very helpful. Thanks, LG. And then it says check if the door is closed properly after you put laundry into the product. Water supply to the product is not good. That's a lie. It is. It's perfectly fine. Not had a problem with it. Enable the child lock option to prevent product failure or accidents resulting from children manipulation of the product. Reduce crease because use the crease free option. Well, I don't see a crease free option on the machine, considering it knows what machine it is from the tones and stuff. It knows exactly what's happening. I don't see why it's doing that. I think it may have glitched slightly, but you get the general idea of how to do it. And then it tells you how to remove 2 different stains. So chocolate stain and gummy stain, it says there. And then if you press diagnosis complete, it then asks you whether it was helpful in resolving this issue. I'm going to put no because some of the information was correct. Was incorrect rather. So, that is how to run the smart diagnosis feature on the LG washing machine. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this helped you, then please leave a like. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.